fortunate that at the University of Washington, I get to work and teach medical laboratory scientists. You get to see that spark that people have. Maybe it's microbiology or it's chemistry, whatever it is, you see when somebody's really excited about something, and you can give them opportunities and talk about how can they learn more, how can they, you said some of the skills, for example, that they could gather. I think that it's a lot of skills when we think about lab medicine, when we think about communication. We already think about science, and people have a lot of scientific background. But I think that the skills that they can have to really excel are those also just being curious, making sure that they have a curious mind and they really want to be thinking, learning, improving throughout their career.